Tang na artli ki hospital sarkar ki badan haka jala kata na negrem sebat civil hospital ki ladon hadu lai pusan ngut ki bayo yuk yang jingpang coronavirus. Kite ki kentop ya apsa ngut na negrem sebat khatbai ngut na civil hospital. Tang haka ne sisa jain ki ladon hadu ngut ki bayo yaute virus ba kentop ya ki saungut ki nong tre jong hospital ar ngut ki nong apang bat uai unong pang.
There are 24 patients in Negrams. Okay, 24 patients in Negrams. 24 positive cases. And out of this 24, the staff, okay, are about 1, 2, 3, 4, 13 are staff from Negrams. And the rest are patients and attendants.
Out of these 13, how many doctors and how many nurses?
One doctor, there is one doctor only, and nurses, 6 nurses I have got here. The rest are technicians and helpers, grade 4, ward boys, ward attendant.
Okay.
So anyway, I think from what we are getting now, each and every case we can account. Okay. Civil hospital of the cases today.
Total how many cases?
Total yesterday I think you had 4, no? Yesterday 4, plus today 7, 11. Lab technician we have got 1, doctor 1, staff nurse 4, and the rest are attendants and patient.